What's up folks, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll teach you how to make money online with Canva. Don't worry if you don't know what Canva is, I'll explain it to you in detail. How does it work? And how can you make money online using the Canva platform? I know quite a few individuals who are making money using this platform in various ways. Some are making over $1,000 per month or even more, while others are making a little less. In this video, I'll teach you precisely how to use it step by step. This is a fully free technique for you to begin with, so you may get started right away and you won't have to put any money down. I know you people like free ways to earn money, so you can start performing this one for free right now. Guys, towards the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus of another site where you may make money with Canva. So make sure you stick around to the end to discover this bonus and the other sites where you may make money using Canva. Make sure you're subscribed since I'll be releasing videos every week teaching you how to make money online. So, let's get started with this video. So I want you people to go to your browser and search for canva.com. On the screen you can see the homepage of Canva. Canva is a graphic designing online tool that you can use to create presentations, videos, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, poster, logo, Facebook post. Before showing you how to use Canva and make money out of it, I will show you how to sign up for a free account on Canva. On the top right corner of the screen, you will find an option for sign up. I want you to click on it. After that it will show you ways for signing up. Choose any of the methods that you like. I would recommend signing up with the Facebook option because it's a fast and easy method for signing up. After you have signed up for Canva, simply log in into Canva. I already have an account on this platform, so I will also log in. If I scroll down my homepage, you can see I also use Canva to create YouTube thumbnails for my YouTube channel. In a moment I will show you how you can also make these thumbnails and many more from free templates available on this website. On the top right corner you will find a blue colored icon, called Create a Design. I want you to click on it. It will show you every design that you can make on this platform, starting from presentations, logo, Instagram posts, YouTube icon, poster, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook post, Instagram story. Choose from any of the available options that you like. For this tutorial video I will go with a YouTube thumbnail. A new window will open. At the left side of your screen, you can see many options like text, elements, upload, templates, etc. If you want to customize a template, scroll down and you will find many template options that you can use. These are templates only for the YouTube thumbnail category. You will get dozens of templates for each category. Let me select a template for this tutorial. I want to customize this template. You will notice everything in this template is customizable from text to photos. I can change the text font, size, color, everything. Now if you want to add an image you also add it. Just click on the upload option you see at the left hand side. You will find two options, upload media or record yourself. Now if you want to upload a pre-existing image or video, click on upload media. Here you will find many options you can upload from your device, from Facebook, from Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox. If you want to use an image available on Google, make sure it's royalty-free image. Now if you want to get royalty-free images you can head over to pexels.com. On Pexels you will find royalty-free images that you can use to make designs on Canva more creative. Now you know how to use Canva. Now I will show you how to make money from the designs that you will create on Canva. I want you to head over to Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a freelancing platform that people use to buy and sell services. On Fiverr there are a lot of categories available for freelancing, like graphic and designing, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, data, business, lifestyle. If I click on the graphic and designing category, as you will sell your designs like Instagram posts, logo under this category. You can create everything that you see here on Canva, that also for free. There are many people that are using Canva to create such graphics like posters, flyers, logos, etc. to sell them on Fiverr and make a full-time income out of it. Let's just say you want to sell your brochure design. If I click on brochure design it will show me every person that is selling brochure design. Here you can see their rating and their starting prices. If I open one profile, it shows me everything that this person is selling, like this person charges this much for one page, for standard his price is this, and for premium his price is this. You can also charge this much amount. This person has got 215 reviews. Let me tell you, only 30% people give reviews or ratings. There are high chances that this person has got more than triple orders from what it's showing on profile. Now let's just calculate his earnings for 215 orders with his basic price. If I multiply 215 into 80 it comes out to be $17,500. Now that's a huge amount of money. You can start right away on Fiverr and earn more than $1,000 per month. To start working on Fiverr, you need to create an account. Making an account on Fiverr is really easy and free. Just go to fiverr.com, on the right hand side you will find the Join button. Click on the Join button, and choose from any option that you like for signing up. And boom, your account will be created. Now let's head over to the bonus platform that you can use to earn more money. So the bonus website that you can use to earn money is Upwork.com. Upwork is also a freelancing platform. You can sell your services on Upwork and may earn more than Fiverr, as Upwork is more of a professional type platform. Same as Fiverr, there are also many categories available on Fiverr. You can sell logos, flyers, posters, etc. on Upwork. If I show you the category of logo design on your screen, you can see that many people are selling logo design services on Upwork, and you can also be one of them. You can see their charges and how many reviews they have got. If I open one of the profiles to show you what they are selling in more detail, you will notice that they also have different packages, like Fiverr. Now let's just calculate the earnings of this person with his base price. If I multiply 668 with 20, it comes out to be 13,360. You can see how much these people are earning by just selling logos. You can also do that with this free platform called Canva. You would make money with Canva by designing logos, posters, and other graphics and selling them on Fiverr and Upwork. Just make sure not to copy someone else's work. Okay, people, that was a fast method to make money on Canva. If you want to see some more videos about how to make money online, I'll put them up on the screen right now for you to watch for free. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. I will meet you with another video. Thank you.